Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. Like I always say before I get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. So today is electrical, and I'm gonna pass it along to my brother, let you know what we're doing today. So
How y'all doing? Is Vic? How y'all doing? Is Vic? They call me Stacks. Can never forget that. But today we'll be working on installing the rest of the recessed lights in the bedroom and in the bathroom. We'll also be putting in all of the outlets, the 20 amps and the 15 amp outlets. Also, all light switches installed, and we'll be wiring up the electrical panel just a little bit, none too crazy, just to test out all the work that we've done.
So, we're here. We give you guys a lot of game. We show you guys the whole process. So just tune along. Like I stated earlier, please subscribe to the channel. This is my brother Stacks. Some people call him Vic. He has specialties in all of electrical, so he's been able to help me out. He wasn't the original person who took on this job, but since he's my brother, he's helping me out to cross the finish line. So thanks for watching, guys, and tune in, and we're going to show you the whole process. Appreciate it. Just to give you guys some context, we decided to go with 4 inches, not 6, because we felt that 6 inches might be too bright for the space, and 4 inches worked just fine. So my best friend, my brother, suggested that we go 4 inches, and I think it was the right call, because now you guys can see the lights are very close to each other. So if you had went anything bigger than that, you're just gonna have a bright space. Plus, there's gonna be a ceiling fan, and I might put light that includes the ceiling fan, so that's just overkill on lights. So we decided to go 4-inch. It's a milder touch. A lot of people prefer the 4-inch style, so we lean towards that.
Whew. All right, guys, let me give you guys a little quick update so far what we have done. I'm going to show you guys now. You can see we got our recessed lights in. We got 2 recessed lights in, 1 and 2, symmetrical. They're looking good. We got about 2 more left over here that we're going to knock out, and it's going to come together. It's going to come together, and we'll turn on the lights so you guys can see them once we're done.
So this is our last light for the bedroom. Last one. No pressure. Is it 4? If it's 4 perfect lights, what are we calling this? Stacks 4 perfect lights? I got you.
Oh, yeah. We validated. We validated. I did that one with no eyes.
Like I showed you guys earlier, we completed the bedroom. Now we're about to start the bathroom. Let me pass it along to my brother so he could talk about what we're about to do now.
All right, guys. So we got 2 recessed lights in here. Let me put the camera up so you guys can see. So the first recessed light is right here. All right. And the second one,
Here.
we'll zoom in for you guys. I can. Bring the camera. So we got two lights in here. Also, as you see, there's a fan exhaust that we're also going to be installing later on in this video. But as of right now, we will be installing the two recessed lights. One over the tub and one over the sink. That's not here yet, but will be. Let's go.
So this is the best YouTube channel. So I hope you guys subscribe. Please stop as you're watching and subscribe to the channel. We're going to keep giving you guys game and information to teach you guys how to do all of this. So guys, we're about to wire up all the outlets. Stacks is about to teach me how to wire up outlets so I can help him and we can move along and we can get the outlets done faster with my help. So he's about to show us how to wire outlet. So check this out. All right, guys. So Stacks just put me in the game. Essentially, Stacks just taught me how to wire up an outlet. So what he taught me is black goes to gold and white goes to neutral. And then the ground goes to the green. So yeah, guys, so I'm about to teach you guys how to wire an outlet because Stacks just taught me. Let's get it. All right, guys. So I hooked up all the wires now. I hooked it to the designated area it needs to go. So now I'm going to take the screwdriver and I'm going to tighten it. This joint is not hard, but it's definitely tedious. You got to know what you're doing, honestly. I'm trying to talk like I'm a pro and it's my first day doing this, guys. But it's all good. All right, guys, so now it's time to conduct a stress test. So what Stack said is you try to pull the wire. Pull the wire, try to pull it, see if it stays. If it stays, you did a good job. If it doesn't stay, you did a bad job. So now just take it, bend it in, bend that in there. Try to push it in there. And yeah, you tighten it. So yeah, guys. And voila, guys, it's done. So we just finished all the bedroom outlets and switches. So I bought this from Home Depot. So this is basically a tester. So it's going to test the outlets to make sure we did it right. So I'm going to plug it in around the outlets and show you guys if the outlets work or it doesn't work. So you guys see how the two are orange. So that means the test works and we wired the outlets correctly. So let me show you guys some other ones. So show you guys this one. So then let's test this one. Is it right there, Stacks? Yep. Yeah. So that one works. Works good. See? Pretty good. Let's test. Yep. So you guys see, it's light up. So that means that we wired the bedroom correctly, and it's a successful day. So you guys, when you're doing electrical, always get this test because you don't want to fry your outlet. You want to make sure that it works before you plug anything into it. So the biggest question I have for my brother Vic, does the lights work?
It's a question that I have for myself too. There's only one way to find out, man. Let's try it.
All right, Stacks, hold on. That's the switch. Do the honors, bro.
Lights is on.
Yo, no lights is on. What the heck?
That's how I know what I'm doing.
I guess I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, hold on, Stacks. There might be something. Wait, bro, the breaker's not on.
Oh, wait, turn the breaker on. Let me turn the breaker on, man. Oh, let there be light. Let there be light. Let there be light. So as you guys can see here, we got 4 lights symmetrically recessed. We with 4,000 kilometer lights, 4-inch lights, and they look beautiful. They light up the room exactly the way that my brother wanted it to be lit up, as you could tell.
Everything works good. The 4 lights that we did and the outlets work. So, yep. Now, I have another question. Does the bathroom lights work?
There's only one way to find out. All right, guys, we're now in the bathroom and we're going to try to see if these lights work. Go ahead, flip it, brother. Up.
Lights.
That's 2.
Wait, why isn't that one working?
I don't know. Gotta try it. Let's see. Lights. So you got your 2 lights in here. You know, you got 1 light. Let me put this up for you guys. 1 light there, which that's a fan by it. That's gonna be installed later on. But as you guys can see, 1 light here and 1 light above the tub. Looking good. Looking gravy.
And are they connected to the same
switch?
Yeah. Are these lights connected to the same switch?
So no, the lights are not connected to the same switch because, you know, let's say you're sitting on the toilet and you only want 1 light to come on. So the toilet light will come on, and then if you're in the shower and you also want some light in the shower, then you separately can turn on the light in the shower.
Can you give us an example?
Of course. Here you go. All right, so I'm going to show you guys which switch works for what light. So first switch here will work for our toilet light. As you can see, it turns it off, turns it back on. Now, brother, if you were to turn around, let's show them the shower light. The shower light turns off and turns on.
Can you give us one more example?
So I'll turn them both off at the same time and turn them both on back on. 1, 2, they're back on. So you always want to keep your shower and your toilet lights separate, and then you have your fan, your exhaust fan that will suck up the moisture of the shower, the heat. All right, guys. So today we knocked out the bathroom, 2 lights, 4 bedroom lights, and we knocked out about 10 outlets and wired up about 7 light switches, and we got them all going good. So today was a very, very progressive day. We got a lot done, and the place is definitely coming out to look really good. The reason why you see these lights hanging, because we have a little patchwork to do before we put those lights fully in, but you guys get it, you know. But everything has come together, as you can see, a beautiful lineup with our light switches, you know, outlets. We did a really good job, you know. Today, Santi wired up outlets, light switches. So, you know, he's also learning with the process, and we only getting progress.
Hope for those who've been watching, you guys have been really learning a lot. I really do this to teach you guys and show you guys that anything is possible. I woke up one day and I had an idea and I had a dream and vision to get this done. And look what we did so far. If you watch all my videos from the start, you can see all the progress. So today, what we did was focused on 10 outlets. So if you guys see right here, all the outlets are in, they have power, and then we did the switches. So the switches control the lights. You guys can see that. So we did the recess lights in the bedroom. So yeah, I just want you guys to believe in yourself, man. Like anything is possible. Like, never try to limit your dreams, your goals. Like, you could do anything you put your mind to. I'm telling you guys. But you guys can see right here, we have bathroom lights. And I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, guys. This is not easy. Building the house from ground up is not easy. You're gonna run into a lot of problems. You're gonna run into a lot of issues. Hopefully you could use these videos to learn from my mistakes and accomplish your goals and your dreams. But yeah, you can really do anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching, guys. This is day 2 of electrical, and just keep watching, and we're gonna show you guys the next set of videos. Like I always tell you guys, stars always shine. Thanks for tuning in. We out.